Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about 5 growth stocks that you could invest in today. So the interesting part about these 5 stocks is that they are all tech stocks. So which goes to say that the tech stocks are doing perhaps the best. I'm not saying the other stocks aren't, but these 5 companies are doing really, really well. Of course, the last one that I'll talk about is fairly new in the market, but has a great potential. So I'm going to talk about these 5 stocks today. I think they are relevant to you for you to have them in your portfolio. Also track their momentum. So I've spoken about momentum investing, a few days ago. So track their momentum as well. Use the formula, the calculation that I showed. So as usual, before we dive in, please like my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Please comment on my videos so that I know what exactly you're looking at. Then I can craft out a video based on your requirement. And please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my research and analysis and from my videos. So without further ado, let's dive in.
So as you know, before I start, I talk about my ebook. Now, this ebook is my journey as an entrepreneur. So it's titled Six-Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur. So in this ebook, I've spoken about the time back in 2010 when I quit my six-figure globe-trotting corporate job. So I've spoken about the challenges. I've spoken about my research before I jumped in. I've spoken about the challenges I faced, and I've also spoken about how I overcame those challenges. Now, I'm sure a lot of you would be looking to become an entrepreneur. So with that in mind, I've put down 3 worksheets, essentially to gauge your mind in terms of how prepared you are to jump in as an entrepreneur. So you have to answer certain questions, get points, and you would, through your points, your score, you will see where you stand. The good thing is I scored myself based on my mindset back in 2010, and you would know how much I scored. And you would also know how successful I am today as an entrepreneur, with 2 companies, one in Singapore, the other one in India, and representations in the US market. Now, the coolest thing is this ebook is available to you for free of charge. It's available on my website. The URL is flashing on the screen. I'll put the URL in the description box below. Click on it, put down your name and email address, and you would get the link to download the ebook into your inbox. I hope you like the ebook. Do give me your honest feedback. Now let's talk about the 5 growth stocks. First, Salesforce. Now, if you look at the graph, this is a graph which I took a few days ago, actually yesterday, when I was preparing this presentation. So you would see the composite ratings and the EPS, the quarterly EPS, the quarterly sales, the 5-year EPS growth, analyzed return on equity and volume ratio. So if you see the 5-year EPS growth rate is 45%, which is very, very healthy. The EPS change is also positive. Composite rating 95, which is excellent. Up and down volume is 1.4. So analyzed return on equity is 12%. Everything good. CRM stock, so it's kind CRM, the tag is CRM on NYSE. So it gapped about 275.32 buy point on September 23rd after the company gave bullish fiscal 2022 and fiscal 23 sales guidance. So for its financials, so we talked about the near-term future. We don't talk about 23, but 22, fiscal year 22, which is the current year, which ends in January. The company's forecast sales of 26.35 billion, up from the previous prediction of 26.3 billion. So there is a marginal increase. So it's a positive sign for Salesforce. Second stock that we talk about is Atlassian. Atlassian is also a tech company. Composite rating 97%, which is very good. EPS is analyzed 5-year EPS growth is 40%, which is also very healthy. The EPS change in the last quarter is negative, but which is not a big issue. The quarterly sales change is plus 30%, which is very, very good. Annualized return on equity 82%, excellent. Up and down volume 1.8. So Atlassian is holding gains bullishly after an earning breakout in late July of this year. It's trading tightly just above its 10-week moving average. Very good indicators. Shares soared nearly 22% on July 30th after the company reported a 30% jump in revenue to about 559.5 million, helped by customer ads and new customers, and of course, migration, the sales line of business. So which is very, very good for Atlassian because it's more a cloud-based company, cloud tech-based company. Third company is Bill.com. Again, it's got a back-end tech system. If you look at the quarterly sales change, 86%. On a positive 3-year annualized EPS, it's not a very old company, so obviously that's not available. Up and down volume ratio 1.3. After July 19 fall, Bill.com went up when the company announced plans to buy Invoice2Go for about $625 million, and that led up to break out an alternative, and that gave an opportunity of an alternative entry at 197.81, 5%. So overall, very good, investment potential. So you can actually have a 5% buyout at 287.70. After a bounce off the 10-week line in the week ended August 20th, Bill.com cleared. So this is a positive point. So they cleared a sell pattern on October 23rd with an alternative entry point at 211.25, right? 95, sorry. So from 207 to 207.70 to 211 to 211.95, which is a very good indicator that this particular stock is doing well. Fourth stock is Upstart. Upstart is again, if you look at this, the EPS change in the latest quarter is 62 cents versus a loss of 5 cents. The quarterly sales change is over 1,000% positive. So again, it's a new company. Return on equity 9%. Up down volume ratio 2.0. So essentially great points for Upstart. So Upstart's Q1 revenue jumped 9% to 121.4 million and accelerated sharply in Q2 up to over 1,000%, 194 million. So all very good for Upstart. So now Zacks consensus estimate expects Q3 sales, which is the current quarter, to 213.46 million. So all good, which is up to 26%. Full year revenue is expected to be 275%, 225 to 758.35 million. So very good stock to invest in now. Last stock is Asana. Asana, if you look at it, the quarterly sales change is 72%. Upside, up and down volume ratio 2.3. Again, excellent records in the recent past. The company isn't profitable yet, but sales growth has ranged from 55% to 79% over the past 7 quarters. Sales growth has accelerated for 3 quarters in a row, so which is again a great sign. So 3 quarters in a row from 55 to 72%. Fund ownership has risen sharply from 96 funds at the end of 2020 to 300 at the end of September of 2021. So it's a new stock, and I think you could possibly go for these stocks. So those were the 5 growth stocks that I would recommend you to go in for. As a summary, the tech stocks are doing very well, so keep an eye on the tech stocks. Also use the momentum investing formula that I had talked about a few days ago. I will put the link to that video in the card above, and I'm sure using that formula you would be able to make a very informed decision on your investments in the future. So I hope this particular video was useful to you. Thank you very much for listening to me. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital and technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. I'll put on my LinkedIn URL in the description box below. Click on it, go to my page. If you like my profile page, feel free to send me an invite. As a profession, I regularly work with clients where I try and solve their business, marketing, technological, and investment challenges. If you're looking to engaging me as a consultant in your company, please drop me a line on LinkedIn, or you could write to me in the contact page of my website. I'll put down the link, the URL to the contact page of my website in the description box below. Then we can, once we've started engaging, we could, discuss, we could communicate and see how I can help you in your company. So lastly, before I go, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell, please comment on my videos, and please share my videos. So until next time, stay safe and stay healthy, and I shall see you soon. Bye-bye.